What is up, guys? Bonnie Hunter here, and today we are with Homeless and Aaron, aka 30 whatever. I forgot what the meteor. Hey, stop. Okay. So Homeless, come on, let's go to the yacht. Let's go. Oh yeah. I forgot. Wait, I forgot. Oh, and then Homeless Gamba, he spent $250,000 on this yacht to put something on the yacht that's representing my YouTube channel. So let's go to the yacht. You guys will see once we get there. Let's go. Homeless, come on. Yeah, that show. Okay, come on. No, Aaron, get out the helicopter.
I'm not in no helicopter.
Yes, you are. Okay, yeah, we're going to the yacht.
And the name of the yacht is the most beautiful name that I could think of in the channel.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Oh, Cool Dude gonna be following us. I think, yeah.
Hey, go to the paint shop. Go to the paint shop.
No, we going to the yacht. We going to the yacht.
Go to the yacht.
Yes. Okay.
Talking.
Why'd you jump out, Aaron?
Huh?
Why did you jump out? Yes. Okay, we're approaching the yacht, guys. We're not on the yacht yet. Homeless, did you jump out? Oh my god, I gotta get... Bro! I was so close to making it to the hot tub. Oh my gosh. Really? What is wrong with my person? Okay, come on guys. Everybody meet up. Come on guys. No, I can't do it yet. Homeless.
Yeah, you guys aren't even on the yacht yet.
Okay, so this is the name. Bounty Hunters Yacht USA. That's the name of the yacht.
I think I got a black suit.
Are you stupid? Yes, we have to get in black suits. Yes. And that's USA flag. I don't care what you guys have, just come on. Okay, so. We're at the hot tub park. Well, we're going. Wait, not yet. Not yet. Wait.
Wait, don't start. Here we come.
Okay, now we are. Now we're here.
So right here's the hot dog. Why not start?
We're gonna be. Let's go through the let's stay at the bottom level, just go to the other side. Just right here. This is the Bowie. And then now we're going to the middle.
Now we're heading up to the middle of the yacht. To go to the front. Let's go. You said what? Right here is the second helipad, and you can act like Titanic up there too. You said what? I'm going to...
Cool, dude. Just don't explain it because. Just Aaron. Thank you. No, we're still at the helipad. Okay. Okay, now we're going back to the same. We're going back to the to the in the middle. And now we're about to go to the top level. Wait. Wait. No. Okay, now.
Here's the top level. It's a helicopter with climb. And, you know, some interesting stuff there. And now I think we're going to go inside, right?
I need a helicopter. Oh my gosh. Bro. Okay. Yeah, now we're about to go. Oh my gosh, bro. Why would you do that? Aaron, why would you blow up the helicopter? Yes, you. Okay, I'm buzzing in. We're buzzing.
There we go. Let him in. Yo, what's up, Mom?
No, that's okay. Yeah. Hello. Okay. So he's buzzing. You're buzzing in cool, dude. Oranges and apples. Oranges and apples. I like oranges and apples. Oranges and apples. Now you're about to chair.
You can sit down in these chairs, actually. It's pretty nice. Yeah. I'm gonna sit down here now. So should we sit upstairs?
Yeah, we're going up.
Alright, put a like in the comment section or a comment after that if you want to own your own personal bar, because on this yacht, what do you know? There's your own personal bar.
Yeah. Right. Wait, not here. Right there.
Oh my god!
Hello.
Alright, now we should be downstairs, right?
No, I'm gonna check around. Okay. Hello. Okay, we got drinks, we got bars, we got beers. Okay, now we're heading down to the low. Wait, no, not yet. Wait. Come on, homeless. Go.
I'm going. So there are 30 bedrooms, actually. The first one right here, with the holding locker.
Wait, no. We're not here yet. Okay, now we're here. That's my home lecture. No, wait, no! Okay, I got... Okay, this bathroom, computer.
Yeah. Now we're in the second room, right?
Yep.
Here we actually have the makeup room and just a regular bedroom.
Wait, let me get to the bedroom. Hold up. Okay, I'm here. A small little bedroom. Okay, now we're at the last.
In this last bedroom is where the wardrobe actually is.
Yeah, but we're gonna skip that part.
But, you know, we're gonna skip the part and now we're
Okay, I'm exiting.
We're going to the hot tub, right?
Yep. About to chill.
In the hot tub.
1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, what the heck? What, cool? Was that you, cool dude? Did you just hit me? Okay, look, I'm sitting down. Okay, homeless, you just sat down.
Yep, just sat down.
Aaron, you sit down. Sit down, Aaron.
Why does Cooler have a sniper?
What you mean? Where you see cool dude? I don't even know where he at, bro. What the heck? Over here looking around. Cool dude. Oh my gosh, bro. No.